Camping in the UAE, most people think deserts, but this weekend we went to the mountains. We left Dubai on Saturday evening and drove about 150 kilometers to Jebel Jais in Ras Al Khaimah. It took us close to 2 hours because of the mountain roads. We set up our camp near the Jebel Jais Sledder, the highest rest area in the mountains. The temperature was around 15 degrees, so we cooked Maggi, which tasted really good in the cold. Later, we made papad and spent some time around the camp. At night, the temperature dropped to around 10 degrees. We slept inside the tent with blankets and thermals. The next morning was the best part. We woke up to the sun slowly coming up right in front of our tent. The air was cold, everything was quiet, and the views were unreal. We made hot soup, sat outside, and just enjoyed the moment before heading back. That's what a perfect mountain weekend in the UAE looks like.